Delores? You there? Alright, got a hole there, got holes here. Just finished cutting the roof vent holes. So it's just for those plastic Duraflow vents. And we got about 3/4 of this roof, this side of this roof done. The wind is getting bad and it's apparently another hour it's going to rain hard. So I'll try to get this one side done and then at least half the house is waterproof and do the other side and the little lower roof tomorrow. Well, I got the side done, this side done, and then this started to happen. Pretty fogged up here. Oh, moist. Yeah, I hope I put that pipe flashing in the right spot. Get the pipe flashing for the bathroom, or for the main, that's actually the main building stack. And vent for bathroom fan. Got my caps on here now. So the reason I'm taking a little video now and I'm not done is I'm about to close up my hatch and then get down off that ladder. So yeah. Anyway, that went really well. Even my reveal for my caps is like perfect. I don't even know how that worked out. That never happens that way. But yeah, pretty good. So this upper roof's done, and then now this afternoon I'm gonna have my coffee and I'm gonna get that lower roof done because tomorrow is the electrical inspection and we cannot have water leaking in. Goodbye, hatch. All right, today's supposed to be fairly decent. Yesterday was very windy. It was really hard for me to get anything done. So that upper roof though is complete. Half of this lower roof is complete. It's all new step flashing in there. Can't see it, it's tucked behind the house wrap like it should be. What are you mad at? Birds. So today all I have to do is this and the old original front porch area. So just getting going on this. Should be done in a couple hours. Well, good news, the electrical inspector was here and my work all passed. And what they did actually look for, it's funny, he came right here and felt underneath this connector for that hole. They want to see that little drain hole in the bottom there that you drill. Sure enough, he just felt under there for the burr. It's pretty awesome. So in my area, if you're doing this, drill. Make sure you drill it. Well, I've got to go to town for a week, so I want to make sure everything was closed up here before that, and here it is. Doors installed. Locks, unlocks, locks, unlocks. Yeah, nice. So it's all closed in now. Got our sliding doors installed. It's nice, got a sliding screen. It's pretty cool. So that's done. I foamed in any of the windows that had huge gaps, like the ones without the nailing fins. So those are all foamed in the door. And then as far as upstairs goes, all the attic vents. That's it. So while I'm gone, the HVAC guy is going to be here. He's going to install the furnace and ductwork. So yeah, we're completely closed in now. This is just great. Just great. It's your nice dual black roof. And then also I did the roof on the little front porch. And another big surprise today, yep, that's it. Power is connected. So I'm no longer running generator or neighbor's power. So it's definitely a good day. We have electricity. We're going to have HVAC, and we are closed in from the elements. So when I get back, kind of what's on the agenda next is finish framing this area here. Okay, I have snapped out the chalk lines for the HVAC people so they know where to put the vents in that. So basically everything's all snapped out. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it looks better in person by a little bit. So that will all get done. So I'll frame this up, all these walls, frame those walls in the basement. And then I have a little bit of amendments to these walls that just need to be made, corners put in for stiffening, that kind of thing. So that's next on the agenda, and then it's full go mechanical, plumbing, electrical, and then a whole bunch of inspections at that point, and then insulation. So still have framing inspection to go. Framing has not obviously been done yet because framing isn't complete. So I'll have a little more there to do, but it's definitely looking pretty good. I'm very happy with the progress, and it's like 4 o'clock today, and I plan on leaving here in about an hour when I'm done a few things I'm working on outside, and I'm leaving 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. So it's pretty down to the minute, but we're on it. I've got this.